Still things have changed since my last visit. This is still... Oh. You go first.
Thank you.
Indicator kind of glitched there. The other one still has the beep. Still original. The cab is still, like, looks like this. You can tell this was painted over. Elevator Refurbishing's got this thing. JL buttons. Let's see if we get the other one. Now, I will send you up. Here it is. Here's the motor room. Here we go. Oof. Door close on these do not work. I'm trying to get still. Cab on this one's the same. These things are pretty busy for what they are. Cool. See if it's stupid enough. Wow. Alright, well. And if you look at this, the building has been half renovated. Like, look, like they definitely changed this up a bit if they loop around here. There's a 910 out here, I didn't even notice that. And CO710s, alright. Yeah, we'll go up to 2. You got your JL button.
Thank you.
2 or 3?
2, please.
There you go.
Oh, it's not right here.
The call buttons in here are glitched. Well, let's see if I can catch a glimpse of it doing that. Because I don't know why these call buttons like to glitch out. Let me see if I can get that to happen. They both opened up. Control on these are weird. There goes that one. There goes that one. Oh. The down just went out too. I'm trying to see if I can do that glitch. It just re-leveled. Wait, oh look. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can get that glitch to happen where the call button light goes out for a second. They painted this over and these doors. Oh. Without the call button to go out yet. Control on these are stupid. Oh. It goes out when the doors are closing. That's weird. It's a very weird glitch. 9 out of 10. Very nice atrium here. One of them is. I didn't even press anything. Okay, I'm not gonna mess around any longer. That's it.